Hey everyone, we're back with part 2 of my Walgreens haul. This one is all going to be about lip products and foundation and one special other product that I was going out to try to find, and I happened to stumble across it, so I was really excited about. We're gonna start with that product, and as you know, I like natural products. I like finding those things that are going to make my skin look great, but at the same time be good for you. And so I found this. If you know about the Yes to Carrots brand, they have Yes to Blueberries, they have Yes to, believe, grapefruit. This is the newest one. They had Yes to Coconuts. It came out in body butter and then like a hand lotion as well, and then also the face wipes, which I love, and I use these every night. I have the Yes to Blueberries ones that I use, as well as a few other kinds, but when I saw this, I really wanted to pick it up. Now, I did not get such a great deal on this that I normally get with my Yes to, but because it was a new product, I really did want to try it. It smells like coconuts. It's such a great smelling product. I got this for $6.49 and there was a $1 coupon attached to it. Usually I get Yes to products that have to be like $10 or more for me to get like $3 off, and I have a bunch of those coupons, but I found this one Walgreens, and it's not the Walgreens I usually go to, that has a huge beauty section, and they like to adhere their coupons to the product if it's a Walgreens coupon, and then that way all you have to do is go in and grab it and you have the coupon. So it was right there and I was so excited, so I got this for $5.49. Again, it's more expensive than I usually spend, but I wanted to show you guys because it's such an exciting new scent that they have. Let's go on to foundation. Of course, I, being so new to wearing makeup every day, it's kind of hard for me to figure out what foundation color is best for me. Right now, my favorite one is Rimmel Stay Matte, but I got 4 new foundations that I wanted to show you. The first one is Revlon Color Stay. I got this in the shade 220 Natural Beige. This, I have heard people say this is their holy grail of foundation. They love it, they wear it all the time. I got it because it's for oily combination skin, which I have a lot of oil in my T-zone. I can tell if a foundation is going to be great whether or not it makes me break out or it makes me greasy in a couple hours. This, I wore this yesterday, actually did not do that for me, so already I am in love with this product. It is fantastic. As far as the price goes, there was a buy one get one 50% deal at Walgreens, so I also got this Revlon BB cream, which I also kind of am interested in BB creams because it's a little bit lighter than foundation. This was not a heavy foundation at all. It was very light, but the coverage was full. So I haven't tried this one yet. This is in the color 20 light medium on there. Okay, so what was the pricing on these? This one was $12.99. For me, that is steep for foundation, but I'm going to tell you, I actually think it was worth it in this respect. I had a $2 manufacturer coupon, so I ended up paying $10.99 for this one. This one was $10.99, but it was on 50% off since I bought this one, so it made it $5.49. I had another $2 off coupon for that, so I ended up getting it for $3.49. Together, I got these for $14.48. So literally, I spent $7 on foundation for each one of these, and to me, that's right in my price range of what I want to spend. Next, I have something that was on clearance. I had never thought about trying it, hadn't really heard a lot about it, but this is the Maybelline Dream Nude Air Foam. I got this in the color of Nude Perfect Finish. What was funny about this is I still haven't worn this one either, but I came across it and it kind of foamed out a little bit on my hand. For this one, I got really distracted because somebody went out my front door. Oh, Al's here. Hi, Al. Anyway, so I got this one for $10.79. It was on clearance to $5.49. And then I got a $2 manufacturer coupon, so that made it $3.49, which is a fantastic deal for this. I will demo this out. If everyone wants to see what it's like, please comment below. And then lastly, this is the product that when I saw it in Walgreens, I had been looking for it over and over and over again, and I could never find it anywhere because apparently even here it is so hard to find this, and I don't know why, but it is the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. I got it in shade 120. This is from the new line, which I think Katy Perry has this line. I'm wearing it today. I have to say I don't feel like it's a very full coverage at all. It didn't really go on great, but it is oil free and I haven't felt like I'm greasy a lot at all, so that's good as well. For this one, it was $8.99, but it was marked down to $6.99. I didn't have any coupons for it, but I really did want to try it. So that's everything as far as foundation goes. Let's talk about lips. Alright, so the first one I have is a Revlon, and that is in Pink Chic. I really love the purple packaging for it. I'm going to go ahead and swatch that up for you right now. And that's what it looks like. In this one, I'm just kidding. This is not. Alright, let's start over. This is the Rimmel lipstick. And originally this was $7.49. And it was on sale at $3.79. I didn't have a coupon for it, but I liked it a lot. I wore this yesterday, and it stayed on for a little while, but it wasn't really long lasting or anything. I just like the color. Next, we're going to go into Wet n Wild. I was looking for a specific shade from Fergie, but I couldn't find it, so I got this one instead. This shade is called VI Pink, and it's kind of the second color right there, if you can see that. This lipstick, it was $3.49 and on sale for $2.49. Also a really good deal. This Wet n Wild lipstick, it's kind of more of a pinkish color. I kind of like that a lot. It was originally 99 cents and on sale for 69 cents, so for a nice cheap lipstick, that's awesome. I'm actually wearing that right now. I forgot I just put that on. And my last one is going to be the Jordana Twist and Shine Lippy Crayon, which I love lippy crayons. This one is kind of a coral and a pink color all at the same time. This one was $2.99 and I didn't have a coupon or anything, but in my last video I showed an eyeliner that I got for 50% off because I bought this. So that is kind of all of what I got at Walgreens. A really large haul, and I'm really excited to try all this stuff. If there's anything that you want to see more of, please comment below, and maybe you could tell me what your favorite foundation is, and I can go and try to find that, because I really am still looking for a really awesome foundation. Revlon Colorstay may be it for me, but I'm always willing to try more. So that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you could please subscribe, you're gonna find out about maybe a giveaway that's coming up later, or if you want to just like my channel or like my video, it would really help me out, help other people find my stuff. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you real soon.